Listen, I know I can't be the only one who has noticed that their trips to the Dollar Tree decreased after they increased their prices. I mean, I consider myself frugal, but at the point in which I, you know, quabble about 25 cents, I do have to now then consider myself to be cheap. But I can't be the only one. Listen, when I stopped into the Dollar Tree recently to pick out some items for some summer outdoor decor, I happened down the craft aisles and I picked up a few things, and I am here to share with you those items. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. All right, so let me just say again, it's not that it's not worth that extra 25 cents. It's just I'm not as compelled, you know. Maybe I've purchased all of the things. Maybe I don't feel like I'm going to be as surprised. But nevertheless, they still are adding additional craft items to their inventory. I don't know how often. I will say that they had a number of stickers and stamps that I hadn't seen there previously. And I do go in there maybe every other month to get like cleaning supplies or some type of a storage solution, you know, for around the house. So I do get a chance to go in there and see. I just am not as compelled based on what it is that I am seeing. Maybe I don't have a huge need for it, right? But nevertheless, let me just share with you the items that I got. A few of them are craft, some of them are craft storage. So here we go. Okay, so one of the things I needed to replace was this little pen holder that I had gotten from Temu. The fact that it's separated like this, it means that it limits the amount of pens that I can have in one space. And because the footprint of it is essentially 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inches wide and likely 4 or 5 inches in length, it just takes up more real estate in my creative space. So I picked up this. Now it does have holes at the bottom, so I will have to add something so that the pens don't end up hitting my cubby which is where it's going to go. So this is rose gold, and then I got a couple more of these. I've purchased these previously. One is sitting on my desk full of randomness that comes out of different projects. And then I also had picked up this tape dispenser a while back. So I got this small organizer for the little items that are sitting in here, and another one of these because it serves a really good purpose, especially when I'm like painting or whatever the case might be. So I've got that. And now let's move on to some items that I didn't need, but I got them anyways. So I got some foam dots, some foam squares. I don't like using my scissors on the foam tape in order to get a small piece because it ends up gumming up my scissors and it gets on my nerves. I can clean it, but I don't want to. They also had these alphabet stamps. Small, but perfect. It's because I have other alphabet stamps, but they're a little larger. Sometimes you just want a small sentiment on a small card, like a 3x3 card. And then we've got this here set of stamps. Just a variety of sentiments. This one as well. I got this sticker set. I thought these vintage styled hot air balloons were so cute. Aren't they adorable? Now this rub-on transfer, I don't know how this is going to work, but I figure it would be great for a mixed media project. And I don't know how many sheets are in here, but yeah, we'll see how that works out. Love the stickers with the little bicycle. I said that I wanted a bicycle for Mother's Day. I pointed out one to Josh while we were at Walmart looking for I think it was a bike lock or something for his bike. I got some wax seal stickers, even though I have plenty of wax seals, the set to actually make them. But this is quick. This is cute for quick and fast, and maybe even some Happy Mail. I always get these because I always use them. And they are dimensional, but they're low in dimensions. So you can add them and not have to worry about your card being too bulky. Some rub-on transfers. These are great for mixed media projects. And then some cute little rose gold stickers. So that is what I got from the Dollar Tree. Of all of what I got, I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm excited about using these. I think I'm gonna make some cards with that. Now let me ask y'all this: if what y'all see here, what do you think what do you want to see me make with next? Okay, we've got the sentiment stamps and the number stamps. We've got the stickers, the rub-on transfer, that. What do y'all want to see me work on using next? I'm definitely going to use these, but in the comments below. And that is it. That is all. I just want to do a quick little Dollar Tree haul. I encourage you to take a look in your own inventory. Make sure you know what you got before you head out there. Don't go be buying up stuff that you creating duplicates of, because we are here to share what we have, not hoard, right? Anyways, that's all. I hope you guys are inspired by this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. For those who are new to the channel, I hope you already hit subscribe. There's a few more hauls coming up. You know, I'm not trying to blow the bank, but from time to time on a budget-friendly journey, I'll head over to the stores, grab some things, come back and either review them, demo them, or haul them. And for those who are returning viewers, subscribers, members of the community, thank you guys for continuing to support the channel. And if you want to further support, there is a link to the Patreon channel. We are over there. You get some exclusives, some monthly freebies, some digitals, some handcrafted items from time to time, and some community engagement, some weekly postings and things of that nature. You get a little bit more insight as to who I am and what I got going on over here in my world, the craft world, my family life, and all that other stuff. Anyways, with that being said, guys, thanks so much for watching. And until we're back here together on Patreon first and YouTube second, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafting. Bye. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.